Did you know that your wife's sexual desire can be restored with just a few simple adjustments to your daily routine? Imagine helping her have more energy, motivation, and pleasure in a completely natural way and without side effects. Today, we're going to reveal the secrets that can transform your sex life. And the best part, it all starts with changes you can implement right now. Stay until the end of the video to discover a surprise ingredient that will speed up these results. If you feel that your wife's libido has decreased over time, don't worry. It's more common than you might think and can have many causes. Whether it's due to stress, a hectic routine, or even diet, a woman's libido can fluctuate over the years. But the good news is that you don't need expensive medications or complicated solutions to change this. In this video, we'll share practical tips based on science and traditional wisdom to naturally boost your wife's sexual desire, gently and healthily. You'll learn how small daily actions can not only improve libido, but also strengthen the bond between you two. Now that you know libido can be affected by many factors, it's time to find out how to improve it effectively. First, understand that stress is one of the biggest villains when it comes to sexual desire. The rush of everyday life, work pressure, and even household responsibilities can reduce the willingness to engage in intimacy. That's why the first step to increasing your wife's libido is helping her reduce stress. You can do this with small gestures, like creating leisure moments together, or helping her organize her routine so she has more time for herself. But diet also plays a crucial role. Did you know that certain foods can directly impact sexual desire? Ginger, for example, is known to be a powerful stimulant for blood circulation, thus improving sexual health for both partners. It can be easily incorporated into daily life through teas, juices, or recipes. Another amazing food for boosting libido is maca root. It helps balance hormones and increase energy, making it perfect for women dealing with fatigue or stress. Moreover, maca has incredible effects on enhancing sexual function by promoting estrogen production, which can be critical for increasing desire. Dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, is also a great ally. It helps release endorphins, the happiness hormones, making your wife feel more relaxed and willing. But it's not just about food. Physical exercise can also be a major ally for improving libido. Regular physical activity boosts endorphin production and improves blood circulation, which in turn benefits sexual health. When you're physically well, your body responds better to stimuli, including sexual desire. Now, let's talk about something important that many couples forget: communication. Creating a trustful environment where both partners feel comfortable discussing their needs and desires can make all the difference. Women, especially, are more likely to enjoy intimacy when they feel emotionally secure, so never underestimate the power of an open and affectionate conversation about each other's desires. For a healthy female libido, it's essential that the body is functioning well overall. Hormonal balance plays a fundamental role in this process, and many external factors can interfere. A nutrient-rich diet and regular exercise help regulate these hormones and, consequently, improve sexual health. It's also important to remember that psychological factors are key to libido. Many women feel pressured to fulfill a duty in bed, which diminishes their willingness to engage sexually. That's why it's vital to create an environment where sex is not seen just as a physical act, but as an emotional and pleasurable connection. And here's something very important. Chronic stress doesn't just affect mental health. It also impacts cortisol levels, reducing estrogen production, and thereby lowering libido. Actively reducing stress with practices like meditation, yoga, or simply enjoying leisure moments together will help regulate hormones naturally and boost libido. But don't just take my word for it. Sexual health experts confirm that women who adopt relaxation practices and balanced diets experience a significant increase in sexual desire. According to Dr. Jane Smith, a women's health specialist, a diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals helps balance female hormones and improve sexual response. Additionally, Dr. John Brown, an endocrinologist, adds, many couples don't realize that simply caring for mental and emotional health can be the key to improving libido. Sexual desire is directly linked to overall well-being. Now, imagine adding a secret ingredient to this natural care routine, a simple tweak that few people know about, but that can accelerate results even more. This ingredient has been used for centuries in ancient cultures, and when combined with the foods mentioned so far, it can create an even more powerful effect. You'll want to know what it is, but I'll only reveal it at the end, so stay with me. And the benefits don't stop there. By investing in her sexual health, you're also boosting her psychological well-being. Improving libido has a profound effect on self-esteem, confidence, and happiness. Women who feel desired and more sexually satisfied tend to be more relaxed, happy, and confident, directly reflecting in a more enjoyable and harmonious relationship. And the impact on your relationship goes far beyond the bedroom. Better communication, greater intimacy, and more emotional closeness. Healthy sexuality is an essential part of a strong emotional bond between couples. Now that you know the natural tips to improve your wife's libido, it's time to put what you've learned into practice. Remember, you don't need expensive or complicated solutions. The key to a more intimate and satisfying relationship can lie in small daily changes like diet, emotional care, and creating a relaxing, intimate environment. But before we finish, I'm going to reveal the secret ingredient that will boost these results even more. Stay tuned because it could be the key to even faster and more effective transformation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss upcoming tips about health, well-being, and relationships. Your wife deserves the best, and so do you.